Hey friends, it's Lenny. We're at 1A Auto. Today we're working on our 2001 Lexus GS300 and I'm going to show you how to check your rear differential fluid. It's going to be super easy. I can do it. You can do it too. As always, if you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. We're going to go right up to the check plug here and we're going to remove this. To do that, I'm going to use an Allen head socket. And this is a 10 millimeter Allen head. Gonna put it up in here. I'm gonna turn it counterclockwise. My socket out of there. Fluid may come out of this, so you want to make sure that you have your safety glasses on, your hand protection, of course, and something to catch any fluid that might come out. So it's definitely full. Just gonna put that there for 1 second. All right. So I grabbed a little rag, nice and clean on the end here. I'm just going to try to drip a little bit onto this so I can see exactly what the fluid looks like. There we are. So there's our fluid. It looks nice and clean. So your fluid looks good in this. And of course it's full because when I opened up the fill plug, a little bit of fluid came out. Didn't really come roaring out or anything, so I'm not thinking that it's overly full. And it's also not super low where I pulled the plug and nothing came out. I stuck my finger, with my pinky. Usually you stick your pinky in and you go down. And sometimes you get like all the way down this far and you can't even feel any fluid. So that's kind of what I was expecting, where we've got a little bit of a fluid leak here, but it looks like the fluid level's looking good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and close this up. And use the same tool I used to remove it, of course. Probably don't need to say that, but I'll say it anyway. Let's get it in there. It's bottomed out. Just give it a little bit more, and then that's it. We'll clean it up. Not that it's gonna help it out too much here, but we made a little mess, so let's just pick up the mess we made. There we are. And that's how you check your differential fluid. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.